We've got the little fella on air guitar for a new rendition of our My Guy song. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? I said M-Y-G-U-Y. I said M-Y-G-U-Y. M-Y-G-U-Y. I said M-Y-G-U-Y. Why? Because he is my guy. He's my guy. He is my guy. M-Y-G-U-Y. M-Y-G-U-Y. My guy. What do you think? Bit of air guitar? We're rocking out? Yeah. Good job on the air guitar. Encore, encore. More air guitar, please. I think he's playing left-handed, though. Look out. We might have another left-handed banjo player in the family.